Lesson 12, Arduino IoT Home Alarm System. This lesson is our final project, which is a little bit complicated and more exciting. In previous lesson, we only use browser or cell phone to make human Arduino talk. In this lesson, we will one Arduino to talk with another Arduino through Internet UDP protocol. Hardware and connection. How to code. Open the osio.com, then find the tutorial. Check the parts to be prepared and the connection of parts. Download the sketch file. Unzip the download file and enter the folder ESP8266 Lesson 12. Enter this folder, you will see two subfolders: buzzer and motion sensor. Open the Arduino IDE and choose corresponding board type and port type for your project. On now, we choose Arduino Uno and COM3. Click File, greater than, click Open, greater than, choose Code Buzzer. In the sketch, find following lines: char SSID equals // network SSID, name, char pass, equals // network password. Please replace the with your correct Wi-Fi SSID and password, otherwise your project cannot connect to internet. Load up the sketch onto your Arduino. Open your serial monitor. You can see your router will assign an IP address to your Arduino. This IP address and port number will used in the next code. Please write it in a paper. Now connect your motion sensor Arduino to your PC. Open the folder motion sensor and open the motion sensor.ino file. Find following lines: char SSID equals // network SSID, name, char pass, equals // network password. Please replace the with your correct Wi-Fi SSID and password, otherwise your project cannot connect to internet. Then search following line: byte remotip equals 10,0,0,244 // Change the IP address 10.0.0.244 with the one you recorded from step A. Load up the sketch onto your Arduino. Turn on power of both the ESP8266 Shield and Arduino boards. When you move your hand in front of the motion sensor, the remote buzzer will beep.